Hey there, folks. Mark Horn here with Daily Deal Builder. We have made switching from Nimble Commerce to DDB a very seamless and easy process for you. Our platform has previously processed 50 million annually. It's responsive, so it looks great on all mobile devices and tablets. We have the merchant redemption app for you. The look and feel will be able to pretty much match your existing Nimble Commerce look and feel. And we'll be able to migrate and import every bit of data from your existing Nimble site over to us, just with the exception of credit card data. Now in this video, I'll briefly walk you through the back end to show you how everything works. Now your menu, navigation, categorization, cities will be the exact same as your Nimble site. So let's dive into the back end. Now once we're logged into the administrator panel, the first screen you'll see is your dashboard. This will give you a snapshot of all of your sales in your various markets. You can also pull reports for literally anything right from here and get that pulled up to see all your buyer metrics. Now, the process to actually create an offer and get it live is pretty similar to what you're used to with Nimble, with the exception of a few key differences. You first go in and create a new merchant. You proceed to add all of the merchant information here: return shipping address, contact information, physical locations if there's multiples, administrative options, and then save lead. Now what happens next? You have your merchant listed out there, and under this particular merchant, you can then go in and create a new prepaid offer, a new coupon, a new affiliate offer. And to do that, it's real simple. Select new. Then you're going to decide the proposal type. Is this a standard merchant, a premium, products, travel, events, or coupon offer? So you give it the merchant's offer, the terms and conditions, your pricing details, your expiration of vouchers, minimum quantity required, SKU, the max available, retail price, offer price. Now, if you're creating a free offer, this process is going to be similar, with the exception of you won't have fields such as retail price and such. Remittance per unit, that's what you pay the merchant. Max per customer, max is gifts, and then the number of vouchers per order. If there's any attributes on your offer, such as sizes, colors, weights, add those there. And if it's a multi-priced offering, add the other price points right there. Some additional options: will vouchers be redeemed at will call? Will the offer be shipped to the customer? Are online redemption codes required? When will the vouchers be issued? Does the offer have multiple options? Will there be a bonus voucher issued at redemption? Now here's a key difference. You can pay and decide to pay upon redemption, sale, or pay on ship. And then you can set up payment terms, and you can set up single step or multi-step payment terms inside your site settings. Some additional notes, and then administrative options, and then you save proposal. Now what this does, it then generates a contract that you can then queue out directly to the merchant. Now this one's been executed, but you can click email. It'll email the contract directly over to the merchant. To make things easy, if you ever want to clone a contract, you can do so there, or you have the option to manually execute the contract. So the contract that your merchant will see, it's online at a long URL. It pulls in and populates all the information from what you just added while creating that, from your title, your pricing information, all of that. And then there's a big box so that the merchant can sign directly from their web browser, from their phone, their iPad, what have you. Now, once that contract is executed, then you're ready to go and finalize the offer. So all of your offers are going to be in your offers tab, from your prepaid offers, your coupon offers, and your offer ads. These are waiting on merchant materials, or you can browse your unscheduled offers, your pending offers, and your current offers. You can at any point go in and update, edit the contract, and get resent out for approval, or select edit offer. Now this is the third and final process of the offer creation. So it populates information from the actual merchant that you set up, website, Facebook, Yelp. You can clone a particular offer. You can upload as many different images as you want, and it will function similar to the way that Nimbles does. You can embed a video if you desire to, from something like YouTube or Vimeo. This pre-populates your offer information here. Then you schedule it, your duration, start, end, or if it runs indefinitely or till it sells out, you can do that. Add your offer text and font size, your voucher text. Now this was a multi-priced offer, so the offer 2 details are there pre-populated, and then again, you're scheduling offers. From here, you determine which markets you're going to run in. If there's multiple locations, you'll choose which locations it's running for, and then you categorize it. This works similar in the way that Nimble works, in that whatever you decide to categorize it here, that will then have the offer show up in that particular navbar item. Now you can add your tags and keywords. This will better help the search engines pull these particular offers. Add your offer highlights, the offer write-up, the terms and conditions, redemption details, redemption instructions, and or a custom redemption link. Now the redemption process is going to work really the exact same that you're used to with Nimble as well. We have a merchant redemption app for you. Your merchants have their own login portal. They can log in and mark vouchers as redeemed there. Now, one option about the actual redemption process that's different is we give you an option so that you can set it so merchants can mark coupons as partially redeemed. For instance, if I buy a voucher for pizza and I've got $30 worth that I can use, but I only use 10, if I've given that merchant the option, that merchant can mark down that I used 10 and my voucher is then updated so that I have $20 remaining to spend. Completely optional, but it essentially can work as a gift card and it's really powerful. So you've got some advanced configuration options. National flag, this will show the offer in all the markets. If it needs merchant info, is it a back burner or low priority offer? Adding a kicker flag, if it's for will call or intended recipients, using multiple location checkout. You can allow coupon codes, and you can also on each offer paste a marketing pixel URL right here. So from Facebook or Google, if you want to run a specific campaign for an offer, paste that marketing pixel there, and it will help you track your conversions much more effectively. Is shipping included? Show the user a redeem link instead of a print option. Your voucher number format. If the offer is for store credit, any checkout notes that'll show up at the top of the checkout, the redemption wait period, SKU number, product page URL. You can expedite the offer, prioritize it. Now, if you use the pause options, this just hides the offer from the front end and is only accessible via URL. Will the offer be shipped to the customer? And you have the option to use external coupons if you so desire to. From here, there's other experimental configuration options. There's timer options. Always recommend to use your countdown timer when there's 72 hours remaining on the actual product. So you can add that countdown timer, choose your start timer at, and then the timer duration. Then you have your shopping cart upsell options in which you determine what other items you want to show to users as they're checking out and going through the shopping cart. You save offer, and then at that point, at the respective time and date, your offer goes live, and at any point, it's easily manageable, and you can edit offer directly from over on your offers page. Now we have a ton of great marketing tools here for you as well. If you want to have affiliates set up, whether or not they're the merchants that you're working with and you want to give them an affiliate link to promote or sister websites, things of that nature, you can get them set up with an affiliate feed, get them RSS feeds, get them widgets for their website, and you can then track clicks and sales to be able to more effectively drive traffic to your site. Now you can also update and add promo codes. This is, again, a similar process that you may be used to with a few key differences. Add your promo code, let's say Black Friday, the description, the discount amount in dollars or a percentage, the number of available, and then your start date and time. Make it active. You can allow it for store credit. You can set so there must be a minimum purchase or a maximum purchase, choosing one per customer, or a specific proposal type. So let's say you just want this promotion code for your premium merchants. You can choose to have that there and select them there. You could also make it specific to offer IDs, separate them by a comma, and paste them right there. Or by specific market or specific category. Save promo code process then is the same when somebody's checking out. Now you can also generate some really cool landing pages. These are simple from your marketing tab. You choose landing pages and you can choose the name, give it a permalink, the date of the drawing if this is a contest entry, and fill out the information as far as the landing page heading, details, photo, sharing page, call to actions and such, and then the welcome email and save. Now this could also be a contest entry, a mailing list sign up. If you want to focus just on getting people to sign up to your mailing list, recommend to have this as like the first thing people see, or a poll or a vote, or user registration. So these 4 different types of options are super powerful for subscriber growth. Now you can set up various stores also. So let's say you want to set up your holiday store. Doing that is simple in the marketing program. Choose your country, your city, the duration of when this store is going to be active, name it, give it the permanent link, and then add your offer IDs that you would like in the store right there. Now you can also generate quick promotions that can go live to users in a particular city. So I choose Albany. I add the promotion, for instance, I use coupon code 5 off for an additional $5 off any Albany deals. Add the URL or specific offers and then get it scheduled. and then this will go inside the user's account that are in Albany, and it's a nice little slick promotion right at the top of the site there for you. Now the email management, we're going to have you plug in a third-party email management system, but you'll generate your emails much in the exact same way that you do so currently, and then you will queue them out from your site without users even really recognizing too much that you've switched platforms. You can activate questions so your users can submit questions directly to you here, completely optional. Same with reviews. You can go in and turn reviews on so people can submit reviews of products. They'll show up. You can edit, approve, make private, or delete. Optional to have turned on or off. Our reports tab shows you all your sales as well as your refunds. It can show you your progress, the pipeline, success, merchant payouts, commission, zip codes, performance, production report, PVs, one-on-ones. Now we integrate with Bill.com, so you have two options. You could be the merchant on record and do your own payment processing, or we could be the merchant on record and do your payment processing on your behalf, setting up a DBA. If we are the merchant on record, we'll take care of your merchant payouts depending upon what you have set up under your payment terms. Now, if you're the merchant on record, you will be responsible for paying out your merchants. However, because our system speaks directly with Bill.com, it pulls all the necessary information, and paying merchants out is really, really simple process of just a few clicks. Now under your site settings, you can set up multiple different payment terms, give it the term name, single step, multi-step, the payment trigger, so pay 100% after 15 days, and then schedule it, get it saved, and you can update those on a per offer basis. You can add and manage all of your employees in the employee management system, add a new employee, fill out the information, choose the employee type, and then save information. You can then dictate what access control that they have when they log into your site. So we will import all of your current navigational bar structure and as well as your cities and your markets. But at any point, if you want to manage those in your settings, you can go to City Manager and easily edit those. The same goes for your categories as well. You can set up your categories and even subcategories if you wanted to. Now we plug in with quite a few different third-party APIs, and so if you want to plug in with something like Twilio, you can then send out push notifications to your users, add the message, choose the criteria such as city, offer, or store. If city selected, then you choose the cities that you want this push notification to go out to, choose the time that you're sending it out, and then it will get queued out there for you. Now you can also issue press releases directly from your site. Select new press release, give it your headline, your body, the permalink that you want to set, display image, and then choose your release date. At that date, the press release will go live on your site. I always recommend to enable guest checkout, but you can turn that off if you'd like to in your settings. Under your SEO settings, you can update your site title, meta keywords, meta description, and add your universal Google Analytics tracking codes. Now, if you're doing your own payment processing, you can get your information added in here. Let's speak about this individually, whether or not you're going to be MOR or we will be MOR. And there's a contact button. Go ahead and you can get that submitted, and we'll set up a time to individually speak with you. So this platform is super powerful. Again, we've processed over 50 million annually through it. It's secure. We'll make the migration from Nimble absolutely easy for you. So just submit the contact info below. We'll get an NDA signed with you, send you over our MSA. Our pricing is comparable to Nimble, and we know that you're absolutely going to love working with us. Thanks so much for checking out this short video. Talk to you soon.